So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Welcome to the channel. Today is the last giveaway for the 2019 Nvidia Shield remote. Now big shout out to everyone that subscribed to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button in the top right. Also smash that notification bell, and the best way to support this channel is to smash a thumbs up and share this video. So the 2019 Shield remote is the best update for the 2019 Nvidia Shield, in my opinion anyway. So I did an initial review on the 2019 Shield. Wasn't a lot of features that changed from the 2017 to the 2019 models. And after playing with the device, the remote was the only thing that really stood out for me. So with Nvidia, not sure what the deal is, guys, but they run out of these remotes constantly. They become available and within a couple minutes they're all gone. So when you sign up for their email notification, you have to be ready to purchase when they email you. So managed to pick up 3 of them for a giveaway. The first giveaway was on Instagram. Big shout out to that winner. The second giveaway was for Twitter. Announced that yesterday, and today is the last giveaway. This giveaway is for YouTube. So just scrolling through, a lot of cool stories on here. Found myself just sitting down and reading some of the stories. What happened to the 2017 Shield? A lot of these stories are just saying, hey, I broke it, or hey, it won't charge anymore. This person said their aftermarket one is trash, which is hard to find a decent one. This person said I never win anything. I wanted to feel what that's like. So like I said, a lot of good stories on here, a lot of funny stuff on here. And a big shout out for everyone for participating. And of course, I'm gonna try to grab some more when they do become available again. So stay tuned. Make sure your notification bell is checked. So of course, for this giveaway, all I'm doing here is going through the comments. I'm gonna copy the link here. Head over to the random picker for YouTube, and let's go ahead and paste that URL in there. Filter duplicate users. So that means if you commented multiple times, it will not improve your chances to win. Look like we have 115 unique comments, essentially 115 entries for this giveaway. A big shout out to everyone that subscribed to the channel, everyone that hit the thumbs up, and let's go ahead and pick a winner. Of course, when these become available again, I will be grabbing a couple more just to do more giveaways. I already have a 2019 Shield, so I don't need another remote. So good luck to everyone. Let's go ahead and pick a winner. Alright, so look like today's winner is Donna Crane. She wrote, my Nvidia Shield remote got stuck in my motorized recliner. It came out in pieces. I put it back together, but a big piece is missing. It works, but it's on its last leg. A new one would be wonderful. Thank you for the great videos. Keep up the good work. So definitely well deserving, Donna. You definitely earned this remote if the old one is in as bad shape as you say. So Donna, when you see this video, shoot me your shipping information. Just shoot me an email. You can hit me in the DM. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram. I'll try to ship these out on Monday. For you guys that didn't win, of course, like I said, I will be doing a lot more giveaways on here, not just Nvidia Shield remote, a lot of tech giveaways. I do have some free time coming up, so expect some more videos or more frequent videos within the next week or so. If you guys have any questions about anything, feel free to either drop it in any of my YouTube videos. I do have playlists set up that you guys can check out. Big shout out to everyone again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.